Shukto, bitter start, Bengali heart. Let's make it together. Let's make the masala first. Dry roast pach foron and make a powder of it. Same do with the radhuni. Add 2 tablespoons posto, 1 tablespoon sorshe. Temper few seconds in kadai and paste it with 3-4 almonds. Now it's time to chop the vegetables. Meanwhile, একটু শুক্তো নিয়ে জেনে নিলে কেমন হয়? Rooted in Ayurvedic wisdom, Shukto was created to cool the body and help pachon, means digestion. In the Jomidar Bari days, an elaborate Bengali meal always started with Shukto, a mild bitter taste to cleanse the jibhe, means palate, and prepare for the feast ahead. Over time, Shukto became not just a dish, but a symbol of Bangaliyana, simple, balanced, and elegant. Heat the oil and fry the bodies. Now, fry bitter gourd, brinjal one by one. Add pach foron in the pan and add rest of the vegetables one by one. Add pinch of sugar. After sauteed a bit, add water and cover the kadai. After 5 minutes, add ginger paste and keep it for another 7 to 8 minutes. When the veggies got soft a bit, add those brinjal and bitter gourd. Add সর্ষে পোস্ত বাটা, বড়ি, ভাজা মশলা and salt. Cover it until everything cooked properly. Your very simple Shukto is ready.